Hello MonsterJam fans and welcome back to another MonsterJam OCD video. Today we are looking at the Mix 7 assortment packs, the first assortment with the color changing Reveal the Steel trucks. Well, welcome back everyone. Today is a very highly requested video. I apologize for no before the show for you videos recently. We've had some trouble getting products before the holidays and I totally understand. Spin Master, my contacts there have been busy, but they did get some stuff out to me before they went on holiday break. So I do have Mix 7 and Mix 8 doubles. I will be reviewing Mix 7 doubles today. And I believe in February, I'll be reviewing the Mix 8 doubles. It depends on when stores are going to get them. But today we have the first assortment of the color shifting Reveal the Steel trucks. These are brand new and every single double pack this coming year, 2020, will be Reveal the Steel. So you will see no normal double pack trucks again for 2020. They're changing it up here and we are going with the color changing trucks. Now, I was told to point out this price point change. It has changed from $8.99 to $9.99, $1 increase. I'm sure that price point has to do something with the new paint, most likely, but that is the price point change. I did want to note that just so people are aware. But regardless of that, we have some pretty awesome trucks to check out today. I have half of them in the box and half of them out of the box. They gave me some display trucks to review out of the box because they didn't have the full assortment in them. I said that's fine. I mean, you guys like the unboxings, but I also like to review trucks very quickly. So anyway, it doesn't really matter to me. They're coming out of the box no matter what. So we're going to start with the ones out of the box today, which I will start with the classic pack, which is the Gold Max D versus normal Gravedigger. Now, if we examine a Reveal the Steel truck, you'll notice that I believe all of them have transparent rims. So they're kind of clear in color to match, I guess, water and liquids, which tend to be clear. Gravedigger also features a black chassis. Most of the trucks do have black chassis. And also I want to note that some of them have clear roll cages and some of them don't. This one kind of does. This one's a solid opaque roll cage green. And the paint color actually is pretty much exactly how the regular trucks look for black painted trucks. Other trucks, you'll see a major difference. That's just because the thermodynamic paint only comes in certain color shades. Also, I don't believe there's any white color shades, so we will see some interesting combos with trucks that have white paint, possibly in the future of 2020. But here's Gravedigger, and I said Gold Max D. It may look a little bit like a Silver Max D, but once you reveal the steel, it looks a little different. But the gold paint was not the strongest on Max D, but it is based off of the Gold Max D, which was this one from 2019. The way stronger gold color on this one, but that is the Gold Max D. And then this one's based off of the normal, I don't have a normal rim Gravedigger, but the normal Gravedigger with the flame wrapping. So we're gonna try this out. Okay, so I've heated up my warm water back up to normal temperature. It's not very hot. Again, you don't have to do anything very extreme with these. I've chosen ice water here though for an extreme cold, just because my water is a little warm. These will work in bathtubs, they'll work under faucets, they'll actually work next to heaters and in the sun. So all of those things will affect the paint color. So I'm going to start with the Reveal the Steel Gravedigger. I'm going to put this into the warm water and you should see an instant result of it turning silver like that. And if I were to get the whole truck, it'll actually change colors by itself. Once one part of the body is warm, it'll change the entire body. So here is the Reveal the Steel edition of Gravedigger. So you can see the revealed steel underneath, the die-cast metal. It mimics the Mix 3 Gravedigger from the singles assortment in 2019, and it has the full flame wrap, which looks really awesome. So there is the warm water revealed edition. Now we're gonna put the paint color back. This should be instant as well. Kind of hard to see because of the condensation on the bowl, but here is the normal Gravedigger back in color, and you can see the back just changed as I put it towards the camera from silver. So that is Gravedigger. These will definitely be awesome to have for bath time for younger audiences, and you can see they're really awesome how they go back to the normal paint color at room temperature or through cold water. So there's Gravedigger, and here is the Gold Max D. Again, kind of hard to see, but you will notice a difference. It will be much stronger in silver color once you reveal the steel. So there we go. And that's a definite difference. I mean, you could tell it's the Silver Max D now. It has the gold face still. And that's the revealed edition of Max D. And then if I put it back into the cold water, it'll change back to that kind of light gold hue that it originally had, but not that strong of a color, so it's hard to tell. But there you go. So there's Max D. And the next pack up we have, if I wipe out this water real quick, we have the Jester versus Mohawk Warrior. So Mohawk Warrior with the brand new Mohawk and the orange Jester. So Mohawk Warrior in 2020 will be receiving, in the normal packs as well, the new Mohawk molding or casting, which they did forward facing, accurate to the real truck with this whole thing. You guys can check out this Mohawk Warrior in my Mix 9 review, which will be coming soon. And you'll notice it has a pearlescent purple roll cage, clear purple rims, and a normal body. And then we have the Jester orange, which I must admit it is not accurate because it has the purple Jester decals on the roof and the hood. So it's basically a custom concept Jester, which I do think looks nice. So I think Tomfoolery should use this at some point. Jester Moss Truck should use this. But it's not accurate to the real orange Jester. But the paint color definitely is. It's an awesome bronze color, which is really cool that they got accurate on the truck. And the rims are a kind of a burnt orange clear color with a pearlescent burnt orange roll cage. So Jester Mohawk Warrior is first up for the warm water. Again, instant results. If I actually leave this one, I'm not going to fully reveal it. I'll let you guys watch it kind of turn colors from the warm water. But you can see it's pretty cool. You can see the roof there changing by itself. I will actually fully change it. It's not warm enough. So there we go. So this is the Chrome Mohawk Warrior Revealed Edition. This looks really sick. They should actually run a Chrome Mohawk Warrior at some point. So there it is, and that's really cool. I love how the Great Clips actually stands out really well on the silver. And you can see the clear rims there with the Mohawk Warrior. The Mohawk looks amazing. I'm really happy with how they did the new casting. So that's Mohawk Warrior. We're making a mess here, but that's okay. And here's the revealed back edition. I only got about halfway, or more than halfway, but this part didn't get revealed. So you can see kind of partially revealed or unrevealed. But there it is in the regular form. Again, this will slowly change back at room temperature. I'll just kind of put it back there for now. And then we have the Jester, custom concept orange Jester. First up is the warm water, and it's changing instantly in there. So here's Jester in chrome. And Parker, my friend Parker, suggested that they should make a chrome Jester in real life. I totally agree. They should definitely do a chrome Jester. That would be awesome. It looks really cool this way. And you can see that kind of raw Zamac color through this paint, definitely on this one. And if we put it back, pretty much instantly change back into its original orange color. And this whole thing, you can see it's changing back on its own. The tailgate will change back on its own. And I didn't speed that video up at all. It changed back that quickly. So there's Jester Orange, the custom concept edition. Then we have the Mohawk Warrior. And now to the unboxing ones. So we have two in the box. 2 packs in the box. Wonder Woman versus Avenger. A silly pack because I think it's hinting at DC versus the Avengers Marvel. I don't know. That's what people have speculated when they saw this pack. There's Wonder Woman there. There's Avenger. And the back of the packaging has the original pack, which I just showed you, which is the revealed edition of Gravedigger and the revealed edition of Gold Max D. It also shows the temperature at which the paint changes color. So 91 degrees Fahrenheit, that's all you need to change color, and then you can change it back in cold water. So we're going to unbox this brand new pack with Avenger and Wonder Woman right now. And if I'm right, okay, I'm wrong. I thought there was complaint cards. There was complaint cards in the singles, but not the doubles for now. So here is Wonder Woman versus the Avenger monster truck. This is the S10 tooling, which they just made this year in 2019 with the Retro Rebels edition. So it's kind of an accurate edition of Avenger. They brought it back for Reveal the Steel. You can tell the paint color is a slightly lighter shade of green, kind of a minty green for the color. They couldn't get a pure lime green clearly for Reveal the Steel, but it still gives a unique paint color. Same with Wonder Woman. It's just a slightly lighter edition of their original Wonder Woman, which they did in 2019 Mix 1 singles. And here it is. So we're going to do the Reveal the Steel of both of these right now. Bringing back the cold and warm water. We'll put the Wonder Woman in first. And Wonder Woman, I'm actually really happy with how it looks. It's actually a really sick paint job when it's revealed. So if we shake that off and we take a look, this is the revealed Wonder Woman with the gold and silver look to it. Really sick, awesome look there. So you can see the roll cage is a kind of pearlescent, it's like a maroon velvet color. And we have clear, kind of almost yellow gold rims right there. And then there's the revealed edition. So if I put it in the cold water, it should change back. There we go. And there is the Wonder Woman. And you'll notice this will change back on its own over time. And now we have the Avenger. So Avenger S10 tooling, the second independent we're looking at for today in these packs. And I think it's the last one we'll look at today as well. But here we go, Avenger for the Reveal of Steel. Another really sick paint job. Most of these look awesome in Revealed Edition. So chrome. And there is Avenger with the chrome body on the S10 tooling. Really awesome. Another paint scheme that the team should consider doing. And you have kind of a clear silver rim with a bright, really bright, I should say, neon green roll cage. And it also has chrome, a chrome chassis, kind of reflective, matching this revealed body. So there's Avenger S10, and we'll bring it back with the cold. And there it is. It'll come back by itself eventually on the back part, but there's Avenger. And now we have another unboxing, which is the Whiplash versus Horsepower pack. Brand new for 2020. And if we look on the back of the box, you'll see Jester and Mohawk Warrior in their revealed editions. So we're gonna unbox this thing right now. All right, so here's the Whiplash versus Horsepower. It's kind of hard to do this with a towel and all these cups, but we're good. There they are right here. You can tell the Horsepower and the Whiplash have drastically different paint colors than their original counterparts. There's the Whiplash, and here is Horsepower, a slightly lighter shade of kind of a tan brown color. They couldn't use all these decals with the shading, so they had to go with a pure brown paint. So it kind of shows you the difference between a detailed decal work truck like the original Horsepower has with the shading and all that versus how they could have done it with just normal paint. So that's a big difference in how they did the original one. So we're going to start with the Horsepower, and we'll dip it into the warm water, and it'll change into its revealed edition. Really awesome color. So we have a silver horse. The plastic does not change colors, so it kind of keeps a unique feel to it. So the ears are brown, the tail, everything, the mane is brown, but the truck itself is this polished chrome silver color. It has a pearlescent brown roll cage with these yellow rims, very similar to Wonder Woman's, but they're actually different. They are much more of a highlighter yellow. And there is the steel horse. Now we're going to bring it back. All right, that should be good enough. And there it is in its original format with the brown paint. So awesome truck, Reveal the Steel Horsepower. And then we have the Whiplash, or W, whatever you like to call it. We're going to put it into the Whiplash water. Just kidding, it's warm water. And here we go. This one's actually really awesome. Maybe my favorite of the packs. I love how the pinstriping stands off the truck when you reveal it. So you can see the beautiful blue pinstriping that you normally can't really see on the normal truck because of the colors. So there's the revealed edition with that pinstriping sticking off the truck. And it's an awesome truck. I really think a lot of people are gonna like this one. And it has these clear aqua rims with this pearlescent dark muddy brown roll cage. And that will complete the Reveal the Steel Mix 7, the first assortment packs for 2020 review. So I want to thank Spin Master for allowing me to do this review ahead of time. This is awesome. I think a lot of people are going to enjoy the new double pack format. I certainly have enjoyed checking them out and being able to watch their progress into a product form. It's been a long road since they first told me they were going to do this, so I'm very happy with the results and the playability, the way they work, the way they change back after a while. The fact that they're metal trucks is even more awesome, and I think that 2020 is going to top 2019. We'll see what happens, though. I want your guys' opinions. They want your opinions. Comment below. Let them know what you guys think about the Reveal the Steel trucks. I want to wish you guys a merry late Christmas and happy holidays with your families. Spend some time with them and enjoy the last few days of 2019 in the decade. So I'll see you guys next time. Thank you guys for watching. This is Random Monster OCD, signing out.